Psalms 2, Mizmor, Beit. Why do the nations rage and the heathen imagine a vain thing? The kings of the earth have established themselves, and the rulers gather together against YAHWAH and against his anointed. Let us break their bonds and cast their cords from us. The one enthroned in the heavens laughs. The Most High derides them. Then he speaks to them in his wrath, and in his fury he terrifies them. I have installed my king on Zion, upon my holy hill. I will proclaim the decree by YAHWAH, as he has spoken to me. You are my son. Today I have become your father. Ask me, and I will make the nations your inheritance, and your possession the ends of the earth. You will break them with an iron rod. Like a potter's vessel, you will shatter them. So then, O kings, be wise. Be warned, O judges of the earth. Serve YAHWAH with fear and rejoice with trembling. Kiss the Son, lest he be angry, and you perish in your rebellion. For his anger burns quickly. Blessed are all who take refuge and trust in him. Psalms 2, Mizmor, Beit.